youth, ya go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, youth, ya star. Only per pressure, I'm a corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me, know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and stand hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Alright, so today we want to talk about Spice, and we all see the picture where Spice posts on social media will blow up the entire world. Yes, because Love and Hip Hop, The Shade Room, Nicki Minaj, everybody come out and even Dancehall, everybody come out and I wish Spice well. But turns out that image was fake because Spice tricked the world and Spice tricked Dancehall. You see me? I know Spice released a music video. I tell the people them say, yo, the queen of Dancehall is back and she have a lot of things to say. Make we get into it. Stay tuned for the breakdown.
Yes, I was afraid. I was terrified. No one knows what I really been through, but God stayed by my side. Been through the darkest road every day. I mean, if you thank God, say me still alive.
Yes, I was afraid. I was terrified. If you know, say, yo, you lay down in a hospital bed or you're up on surgery table. Spice is saying nothing is nice about being under the knife. You see me? Because the situation can get worse. When you are going through your ordeal, you need to stay strong for yourself and for your family and believe in God that He will make a way out for you, because the road is not easy. So give God thanks that you are still alive.
Well, enough for them, I look for see me flop and mash up. If me drop down in this, me get back up and stand up. God, they on my side in a times when it rough. Come me stand up in a this, up in a this, up in a this. Them call up me name and mix up me name and tell like what I think.
Bad mind I go always wish bad for you. No matter if you do good or if you do bad, them I go always wish bad for you. So them I go wish say, yo, you drive out your new lamb truck and run it over the cliff. Them greatest joy is for know say, yo, your life turn upside down. But guess what? All your troubles and your trials and your tribulation, you always get up back stronger. You see me? And brush off yourself in no matter what. You get up stronger and you're ready to take on the road again. You see me? Because what? God is on your side. You see me? And I him you put first. Yeah, man.
Them never know if me dead or alive, but yes, the news I bring. Never scaring on me chest, we prove I got me worshipping. So me dash me whole life, bringing a new beginning. Me see the enemy, I pray when them see the new me.
The media and some vloggers, when they know if you're dead, when they know if you're dead or alive, I go come out and them I go spread wrong information. Even when them get the right and accurate information, them I go twist it around because I that them do. Because I wicked at them. And guess what, yo? I have a scar in my chest for sure. You said the heart here only belongs to God. The heart here I want me use and worship God. And I go dash where the old me and bring in the new me, new refurbish me, new me.
If me tell them say ya this, me know them still a say ya that. I don't pay people no mind, so me just make them go and chat. I don't need to do a BBL, me body don't need fat. So call your mother, father, granny and tell them the queen is back. Me see the enemy I pray when them.
If me tell them say this, them I go say that. And me tell them say that, them I go say this. A bad mind that, you see me? Bad mind is always active. Bad mind is always trying to make sure them give the worst and the deadliest version of the story. Them not go give nothing accurate. You see me? Bad mind always a set up and a camp for your downfall. Them a set up camp for your downfall. I that them do. You see me? I that bad mind do. Point blank period. You see me? Yeah, man, big up Spice every time. If you make it to the end of this video, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.